If you are planning a whole house repipe, one of the biggest decisions is PEX versus copper. And there is no simple answer. PEX can be less expensive and easier to install, and copper is rigid, proven, and extremely durable. But the right choice depends on your house, your budget, and water conditions, and even how accessible your plumbing is. So before you choose a material, here's what homeowners should actually know about PEX versus copper. Let's start with the basics. Copper has been used in residential plumbing for decades. It's a rigid metal pipe that is usually joined using soldered or press fitting. PEX is usually plastic tubing instead of the soldering pipe together. Installers typically use mechanical connections such as expansion or crimp fittings. Both materials can be used for hot or cold water lines, and both can work very well when they are installed correctly. The biggest difference show up in cost, installation, durability, and how the plumbing system is laid out. First, cost. PEX is usually the less expensive option for a whole house repipe. The material itself is generally cheaper, but labor is often where the homeowners see the bigger difference. Because PEX is flexible, plumbers can run long sections for the walls, ceilings, and crawl spaces, and attics with fewer connections. Copper is rigid. Every change in direction may require another fitting and more installation time. That doesn't mean copper is automatically too expensive. On a smaller project or in a home where the plumbing is easy to access, the difference may not be as dramatic. But on a large whole house repipe, labor and material costs can make PEX significantly more attractive for homeowners trying to control the total project cost. Installation access is another major factor. This is one of the biggest advantage of PEX because it bends. The plumber may be able to route it through framing with fewer holes and the fewer fittings. That can sometimes mean less drywall needs to be opened during a repipe. Copper needs straighter runs and fittings whenever the pipe changes direction. In an older house with difficult plumbing access, that can make the job more complicated. But there are situations where exposed copper is actually easier to work with. For example, in a garage, utility room, basement, or another area where the pipe is visible and needs to stay straight and organized. Copper can provide very clean installation, so accessibility can strongly influence which material makes more sense. Next, durability. Both materials can provide a long service life when the plumbing system is designed and installed correctly. The copper is strong and rigid. It handles heat well and has a long history in residential plumbing. But copper isn't completely immune to problems. Certain water chemistry can slowly attack copper from inside, creating corrosion and eventually small pinhole leaks. PEX doesn't corrode the same way metal does. It also has some ability to expand, which can make it more forgiving when temperature drops. But PEX has its own limitation. It should generally be protected from prolonged sunlight, and installation quality matters a lot. Poor fittings, bad connections, improper support can all create problems just later. Neither material is indestructible. Corrosion is especially important if you're repiping because your old copper system already has pinhole leaks. If the water conditions in the home are contributing to copper corrosion, replacing damaged copper with more copper without understanding the cause may not solve the underlying problem. PEX doesn't experience metal corrosion, which can make it attractive in homes where water chemistry is hard on copper. However, water quality, local plumbing requirements, and the rest of the plumbing system still need to be considered. A professional should evaluate why the old pipes failed before recommending a replacement material. What about noise? Copper can transmit plumbing sounds through the framing of the house. If pipes aren't properly secured, homeowners may hear ticking, knocking or movement when hot water causes the pipe to expand. PEX is flexible and absorb more vibration. That can make a properly installed PEX system quieter. But pipe noise isn't just about the material. Water pressure, pipe support, valve operation, and installation quality all matter. If you already have loud plumbing, simply changing the pipe material may not fix every noise problem. Now, let's talk about water pressure. Homeowners sometimes assume one material automatically gives better pressure. That's usually not the right to look at it. Pipe diameter, system design, the number of fittings, water pressure coming into the house, and how many fixtures are being used at once have a much bigger effect. Because PEX can make gradual bends, sometimes installations may use fewer elbows fittings. PEX can also be installed using different layouts, including traditional branch systems and manifold style systems with individual lines running into the fixtures. Copper systems usually use more traditional trunk and branch design layout. A good plumber should size and design the system correctly instead of the railing on the pipe material. The fittings are another important difference. Copper can be soldered, connected using approved press fittings. PEX systems can use crimp, clamp, expansion, or other approved connection systems, depending on the pipe and manufacturer. There's a lot of debate about which connection method is best. But for homeowners, the bigger question is whether the installer is using a complete approved system and installing every connection correctly. During a whole house repipe, fewer hidden connections can also be an advantage. That's one reason experienced plumbers often plan the pipe routing carefully before they start opening walls. What happens if the pipe needs to be repaired later? Both PEX and copper are repairable. Copper repairs are familiar to most experienced plumbers, and replacement fittings are widely available. PEX also can be quickly repaired, but the plumber needs fittings and tools that are compatible with a specific PEX system. Another considered is future remodeling. PEX is flexible and can be used, sometimes be easier to reroute if you move a sink at a bathroom or change your floor plan. Copper can be modified too, but the rigid pipe often requires more fittings and more labor. So when might PEX make more sense? PEX can be a strong choice when plumbing access is difficult, when reducing labor and wall openings matters, when the homeowners wants to avoid the corrosion issues associated with plumbing pipe. It can also be useful in projects where long flexible pipe runs simply the installation. Copper may make more sense when the homeowner prefers a rigid metal system, when much of the plumbing will remain exposed, or when matching an existing copper system is important. It can also be a great option in homes where local water conditions have not caused corrosion problems, and some homeowners simply prefer copper because of its long track record. That's a reasonable preference too. The important point is that is not one material that is automatically best for every house. A repipe should be designed around the home. That means looking at the condition of the existing pipes, water quality, pressure, plumbing layout, access behind the walls, local code requirements, and the homeowner's budget. And installation quality can matter just as much as the material you choose. A well-designed PEX system is better than a poorly installed copper system. A properly installed copper system is better than poorly installed PEX. If you're considering a whole house repipe, don't choose PEX or copper based only on price or something you read online. Have an existing system inspected and compare the options for your specific home. At Fuse Service, we can evaluate your plumbing, explain the repiping options, and help you understand which material makes sense for the project. Contact me and schedule an estimate. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, or maybe somewhere here in California.